Looking for a rifle scope that doesn't break the bank but still delivers high-quality performance? You're in the right place. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or just starting out, choosing the right optic is essential, especially when working within a budget. So, which scopes give you the best bang for your buck? Let's dive in and see how these options stack up against each other to help you make the right choice. 5. Triton Tempest First Focal Plane FFP Long-Range Precision Rifle Scope. At number 5, we have the Triton Tempest, a solid option for shooters looking for a budget-friendly first focal plane scope. Priced around $169.99, it offers versatility with magnification options of 4, 16x, and 624x, catering to both mid-range and extended distance shooting. Its FFP reticle keeps your holdovers and adjustments accurate across all magnifications, a must-have for precision shooting. While the optical clarity and light transmission are commendable, it's not the best in low light conditions, which is where pricier models outshine it. The build quality is solid, featuring a 30 ME tube and durable construction, designed to withstand recoil and tough environmental conditions. However, some users feel that the turrets could be more tactile for precise adjustments. Comparing it to the Vortex Viper PST Gen 2, the Tempest holds its ground in terms of performance, but at a significantly lower price point. The Vortex model might offer superior clarity and more precise turrets, but at a steep $760. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable, affordable scope, the Tempest is a great choice. Pros: affordable price for a first focal plane scope, accurate reticle across all magnification, lightweight and great for hunting. Con: not ideal in low light conditions. Turrets could be more precise, limited magnification range compared to more expensive models. 416x50 AO Riflescope combo. Coming in at number 4 is the 4x16x50 AO Riflescope combo, a comprehensive optic package loaded with accessories. Priced reasonably, this scope comes with a 4x16x magnification, a red/green dual illuminated reticle with 5 brightness levels, a detachable green laser sight, a holographic reflex red dot sight, and even a 5-mold LED flashlight. Its adjustable objective lens allows for parallax correction from 15 yards to infinity, making it great for various distances. The illuminated reticle is particularly useful in low light conditions, while the laser sight aids in rapid target acquisition. The robust construction of the scope ensures durability in harsh conditions. However, some users note that the optical clarity doesn't quite match up to higher-end scopes, and the laser's range may be limited in daylight. For those who want an all-in-one optic system, this combo delivers great value for the price. Pros: versatile with multiple accessories included, adjustable objective lens for parallax correction, shockproof, waterproof, and fog-proof construction. Con: optical clarity is not as good as premium scopes. The laser sight's range is limited in daylight. Some accessories might be unnecessary for certain users. 3. Vortex Optics Crossfire 2-second focal plane Riflescopes. At number 3, we have the Vortex Optics Crossfire 2, a highly regarded scope for shooters looking for performance without the high price tag. Offering magnification options such as 4 12x44 and 6 18x44, the Crossfire 2 excels with its fully multi-coated lenses, ensuring clear and bright images even in low light conditions. The Deadhold BDC reticle helps hunters estimate holdover without the need for manual calculation. It's also built to withstand recoil and impact thanks to its durable aircraft-grade aluminum construction. While the parallax setting is fixed at 100 yards, it's suitable for most hunting scenarios, but it might not be perfect for precision shooting at varying distances. Compared to other scopes in its price range, the Crossfire 2 offers better optical clarity and build quality, making it an excellent choice for those who need reliable performance on a budget. Pros: affordable and high-quality optics, durable construction, suitable for recoil-heavy rifles, clear optics for varying lighting conditions. Cons: fixed parallax setting may limit its versatility. Magnification range is not as wide as premium models. Capped turrets can be less convenient for quick adjustments. 2 Visionking 1.25 5x26 Riflescope. At number 2, we have the Visionking 1.25 Max 5x26, a compact and versatile scope ideal for hunters and tactical shooters who need something lightweight and effective for close quarters and mid-range engagements. Its 1.25 magnification offers a wide field of view, helping you maintain situational awareness. The 26mm objective lens provides decent light transmission, and the built-in infrared IR illumination ensures visibility in low-light conditions. This scope's construction is solid, with a 30mm tube diameter for added durability and shock resistance. Some users love the inclusion of a honeycomb sunshade, which reduces glare and lens reflections, making it perfect for bright outdoor conditions. While it might not have the highest magnification range, it's an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable, affordable optic for hunting or tactical use. Pros: affordable yet durable construction. Compact size, great for hunters who need to travel light. Effective IR illumination for low-light shooting. Cons: fixed parallax setting may limit accuracy at longer ranges. Magnification range is lower than other scopes in this category. Not as versatile for precision long-range shooting. 1. CVLIFE 416x44 Tactical Rifle Scope. Finally, we have the CVLIFE 4x16x44 Tactical Rifle Scope, which takes the top spot for offering a balance of performance and price. This scope features a 416x magnification range and a red/green illuminated reticle with 5 brightness levels, perfect for various shooting conditions. The fully multi-coated lenses enhance light transmission, providing clear images even in low-light scenarios. Its high-strength aluminum construction ensures durability, and the locking turrets keep your zero intact during heavy recoil. Additionally, it comes with a sunshade to reduce glare, making it a great all-around scope for hunters and recreational shooters. While the optics may not be as high-end as pricier models, the CVLIFE 4.016x44 offers impressive features at a very reasonable price. Compared to other scopes in its range, such as the CVLIFE 4x32, this model gives you greater magnification and more useful features, making it a standout choice. Pros: great value for money with essential features. Red and green illuminated reticle for better visibility. Locking turrets and included sunshade for added convenience. Con: optical clarity isn't as sharp as premium scopes. Adjustment knobs could be more tactile. Mounts may not fit all rail types. So verify compatibility. The winner: CVLIFE 416x44 Tactical Rifle Scope. After comparing all these scopes, the CVLIFE 4x16x44 stands out as the best choice overall. It combines a solid set of features, including a versatile magnification range, illuminated reticle, and durable construction, all while maintaining an affordable price. It strikes the perfect balance between performance and value, making it the top pick for those looking to get the most out of their $200. What do you think? Have you used any of these scopes, or do you have a favorite of your own? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great product reviews, and check out all the links in the description for more details on these scopes. All the links are in the description.